And the next important topic is argument against democracy. And the first point is leaders keep changing in a democracy and its result this leads to instability. For example, in your country, conduct an election after 5 years and after 5 years leader will be changed, and if leader will be changed after 5 years, so your policy will be changed and its result it's lead to instability. And the second minus point, democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no space for morality. It means everybody run in this race and the result no space for morality. And the third point is so many people involved in this democracy. So you cannot take a decision in a specific time periods and result it leads to delay. Fourth point is leaders. Sometimes most of the leaders they do not know the best interest of the common people and its result it leads to bad decision. And the next point is democracy leads to corruption, and because it's lead to corruption because it's based on electoral competition. Everybody wants to remain in power. That's why result it's lead to corruption. And sometimes the next point is ordinary people common people do not know what is good for them. They have no any idea. That's why they should not decide anything. This is the another minus point of democracy. And the next topic is argument for democracy. And the first point is a democratic government is a better government because it is more accountable form of government. It means accountable means, for example, in election you have 4 options A, B, C and D, and you have to choose B. It means B is your representative. B will responsible all the work. B will be responsible all his work, and people could ask the question from the leader. That the means of accountable. And the next point is democracy provide the quality of decision making. What do you mean by quality of decision making? In democratic, so many peoples are involved in the democracy, many discussions and meeting. It means many more people take a decision, then their quality will be fine, and the chances reduce the chances of rash or irresponsible decision. This is the best part of democracy. And the next point is democracy provide a method to deal with differences and conflict. What do you mean by this? It means, for example, in your class 40 students and every child has a different point of view. As it is in your country, people of our country belongs to different religions, speak different language, practice different religions. So democracy provide the peaceful solution to this problem. In a diverse country, diverse means so many peoples are live together, different religion and caste. That's why your country, India, is a diverse country. Democracy keep our country together and united. And the next point is democracy enhance the dignity of citizen. Dignity of citizen means democracy is based on the principle of political equality. What do you mean by equality? Maybe a person is poor or the rich. They are educated or the well educated. They all are equal in the eye of the law. They are all equal. They have right to vote. And the next point is democracy is the better forms of government because it allow us to correct its own mistake. It means, what do you mean by this line? It's allow us to correct its own mistake. A leader, he is a human being. He can do mistakes. So there is no guarantee that mistakes cannot be made in democracy. Such mistakes, but in democracy, these types of mistakes cannot be hid or hidden for long. This is the quality of democracy. Allow us to correct its own mistake. You can rectify your mistakes. This is all about your